To complete amortization schedule, I make the position of cell references absolute cell references. Active cell reference C9. This is the value of interest payment. Click in formula bar. I want to apply same values of cell references B5, C5 and D5 in every payment. Press F4 key. Cell reference H9 has value of period. I want to change value of period in every payment. Click cell reference C5. Press F4 key. Click cell reference D5. Press F4 key. Press enter key. Again activate this cell. To complete rest of the amortization schedule, paste the formula in other cells. Double click. Active cell reference D9. This is the value of principal payment. Make the position of cell references absolute cell references for the same values of every payment. Click in formula bar. Press F4 key. Press F4 key. Press F4 key. Press enter key. Again activate this cell. To complete rest of the amortization schedule, paste the formula in other cells. Double click. Active cell reference E9. This cell has value of remaining principal. This value returns by adding the value of start of the first quarter, value of remaining principal from cell reference E8 and value of principal payment from cell reference D8. So do not make the absolute position of cell references in this formula. Paste the formula in other cells to complete the amortization schedule. Double click. Active cell reference F9. This cell has value of total payment. This value returns by adding the values of interest payment from cell reference C9 and principal payment from cell reference D9. Paste the formula in other cells to complete amortization schedule. Double click. You can see the amount of total payment that is repaid to bank in each quarter does not change. It remains same every period of payment. In column C, the values of interest payment are decreasing in each period of payment, and in column D, the values of principal payment are increasing in each period of payment. But in column F, the values of total payment are constant in each period of payment. In column E, the values of remaining principal are also decreasing. Active cell reference C8. Click View tab. In window group, click Freeze Panes arrow button. Click Freeze Panes. Scroll down. Active cell reference E128. Enter equal sign. Click cell reference E127. Enter addition operator. Click cell reference D127. Press Enter key. The remaining principal amount or final balance is 0. This is the final payment of the loan. So after the final payment of the loan, the final balance of the loan or remaining principal amount is 0. This shows that the loan is completely repaid at the end of the 10 years period. This is called amortization schedule. It shows complete schedule of loan payment. For example, in year 10, payment period 118, the value of interest payment is $13.05. The value of principal payment is $741.65. The value of remaining principal amount is $2,237.96.